Ghana will be a officer in was in the same account, ban across our account. Being like me, I can't be. Maybe about matters to come be. And this can funny face.
Wouldn't mean standing. The fact that you sit at UTV doesn't mean you are God or you are the father of all knowledge. Only answer and slow the answer. Again.
From head to toe is white. And I'm seeing Thank You Mommy on the badge. Pretty Gold. The wife is here to support. Thank you for coming, Mrs. So, okay. Then after that, you take your seat. Now, media for Christ, I'm going to ask you. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. So at this point, I would like to call one beautiful lady.
You best schedule dates for Sunyani, but to say no, the train no age in Kakra. Instead of sending a year corner as a festival with events, no. To say they say yes cinemas no. Na kebe all the various places now some yako cinemas no. By saying they say yes cinemas no we. Into the cinemas no, both Nigeria and Ghana. Because a country called Ghana, no, a both collaborated projects are Faces of the Nigerian and then Ghana Poster Boys, no, and a year, into both year. Into a for a suffering as a year, movie festival, a country called Ghana, as a back the half the year rolling. It is a enter, what is a date in the Yashe, say it does a year baha, let's say about. When me manager Raymond and the artist and CEO Dr. Kodron Kamsa almost say the 16 regions living almost somebody a country called Ghana Echo. Now out of the 16 regions now, Yayemu 2 regions, which is the Greater Accra and Kuma Ashanti region. But Ashanti region they also almost have been repeated with the cinema. And some I say Yashashe other regions in the Kenya only at the account. At this point, the director in charge of the cinemas and the distributions, collaboration efforts, the dates, Director Fifi Cabin, our winning awards for the movie. Many pages and Kobe, every award be a movie now winning because last time we were saying on the platform, you're getting to almost about 32 recognized nominations. You're winning over 17. It's easy. I dare cry you break here, your home so and no. And think here twice a year, there call your media and tell you inside business no one bones. Because 32 nominations, no winning with 17. And yet, if there is a 50 coming, we acknowledge you. Now, I think it's a brand, never big give you up. Bonsa Director 50 coming.
Yeah, I thank you very much, Achiam. We started with a Nollywood International Film Festival in Germany, and we got a couple of nominations, but we were able to win the Best Indigenous Movie of the Year in Africa, a country called Ghana. And we came to Imo International Film Festival. We got about 11 nominations. And out of the 11, we won about 3 of them, which includes Best Actor in Africa in the name of Ramsey Noah. And we came back to Rivers International Film Festival. There we got about 6 nominations. There we won about 2 of them, and including Best Actor of the Year in Africa in the name of Kwaku Manu. So, so if you are seeing LilWin today, he's not just the best actor in Ghana, but he has been acknowledged as the best actor in Africa, in Nigeria, that's the home of the second highest producing country in the whole world, and that is not a small achievement, you know. Yeah, and just yesterday or so, we were at the Inside and Nollywood International Film Festival, where I was also adjudged the best director for African collaboration. Yeah. So Ghana Movie Awards, despite all the odds, we were able to top the nominations with 15 nominations. So a country called Ghana topped this year's Ghana Movie Awards nominations. 15 nominations. We won about 3 of them, which also includes the Discovery of the Year, Best Production Design, Best Costume. Like I said, we've been to Brazil, Olha International Film Festival. We've been to some festival. As I'm talking to you, we are in a Cameroon International Film Festival. Some of our festivals, they are Fena, Omguswa, Omoye. As to when it comes, the winners list comes, you know. Yeah, I can't remember all, but we've done very well on the international scene, and we've promoted and projected the Ghana film industry, as well as the name Ghana and the movie A Country Called Ghana and the brand Busy Empire to the world, not just in Africa but throughout the world. And because of this, our achievements in the international stage, we were asked to submit the movie for a consideration into cinema distribution. So we tried a couple of the international distribution houses, and I'm happy, or I'm excited to announce that A Country Called Ghana has been picked by Silver Base Distribution International, not the Silver Base in Ghana, but we also have Silver Base Distribution with the headquarters in Nigeria. So Silver Base Distribution Nigeria is in charge of the cinema distribution across Africa for now, but we are starting from Nigeria and then Ghana. So in Nigeria, the movie is going to be premiered nationwide. I want to repeat this again. It's not just going to be premiered at the Silver Base cinemas in Nigeria. It's going to be premiered nationwide. That is almost all the cinemas in Nigeria. So if you are in Lagos, you are in Abuja, you are in Ikeja, you are in Onitsha, you are in Abuja, wherever you are, any cinemas near you, watch out, because A Country Called Ghana is coming to you very soon in cinemas around you. Let me even be specific on the date. The date for the international premiere of A Country Called Ghana is on the 28th of February, this month, 2025. I repeat that again. The date for the international cinema premiere of A Country Called Ghana is on the 28th of February, 2025, and it's starting simultaneously in Nigeria and in Ghana. So in Nigeria, it's cinemas nationwide. Every state that you are in, get ready, because on the 28th of February, A Country Called Ghana is coming to cinemas near you. So on this note, we will encourage all our fans in Nigeria, our brothers and sisters in Nigeria, the media in Nigeria, our brothers and sisters acting currently in Nigeria, that they should all help in promoting this movie called A Country Called Ghana, because when you promote A Country Called Ghana, you're not just promoting just a movie, but you are promoting the name Ghana to the rest of the world. This is one movie that has the name Ghana on it, and it is a movie that doesn't only sell or only talks to Ghana, but it is a story meant for Africa. It's a story that speaks to Africa. It's an authentic African story. So we are using a country called Ghana not just as a movie, but as a means to sell Ghana and project Ghana to the rest of the world. And this is one of the reasons why all the bloggers here and the media here, you should be actively involved in promoting this cinema premiere that we are going to do. Because imagine we premiering a country called Ghana in almost all the cinemas in Nigeria. It will interest you that there will be some people in Nigeria who have not even heard the name Ghana before. But because of the premiere we are going to do in Nigeria, there will be people who will hear even the name for the first time. There are people who don't even know that we speak Cree, or this is our culture, or this is how we dance our kete and our dua and all that. And after watching the movie, we are also selling our culture and traditions to the rest of the world. So I'm done with Nigeria. Now let's come back to Ghana. So Ghana here is on the same date, which is on the 28th of February. 28th of February. And the venue is Silver Birds Cinemas, Accra Mall and West Hills Mall. Silver Birds Cinemas, Accra Mall and West Hills Mall. And in Kumasi here, because we cannot shoot the movie in Kumasi and leave our people behind. So in Kumasi, we are also premiering on the same date, which is 28th of February, at the Golden Eagle Cinemas. I think it's at the Kumasi Mall. Yeah, so the same date, 28th February, cinemas nationwide in Nigeria, Silver Birds Cinemas in Accra Mall and West Hills Mall, and on the same 28th of February, happening live in Golden Eagle Cinemas in Kumasi Mall at Kumasi. So the people in Kumasi, especially they na yes ye ba premiere na arewa kan it's arewa nti and tinya premiere because of the accident. Yeah, we had a lot of people like that. Now the opportunity has come for you. Be aware be angry and both Accra and Kumasi. Be aware be angry that there's opportunity to watch it in cinemas, and it's not just happening one day, especially in Accra, because it is a cinema distribution. It's going to be in the cinemas for more than 1 month. So after the 28th, if you couldn't watch, the next day, you can watch for almost 1 month. But be rest assured that they say the early bird catches the worm. So those who come on the 28th, that's where you get to see a lot of surprises, meet maybe a couple of the actors, get pictures, interview some of the artists. You get to experience the real cinema experience. So that's why on the 28th, it is a must that everyone should be able to attend the premiere in Accra and in Kumasi. Now, I want to address some small concerns. I think maybe I will have let LilWin explain it, but when it is extended, you can also come in and then explain things much better. The problem about this movie is, when we say so, Ghana, Nigeria film, we get issues from a lot of prominent people. Why you saying is Ghana and Nigeria collaboration film? When we say it is a Ghanaian film, you get some key person be a known figure who will also come and criticize. No, and just at the Ghana, Nigeria, and when we say okay, any Kuma film, and also so and also yes, What I said, I didn't to project the Ghana, and the thing is coming from Ghana, and mostly a Kumawood, film. And this one issue, I think, said, me and my downfall. One part make mechanics or Emilia because also or the Fifi, you save Fifi and Vicker, things like or the Betuja, man, at a crack. And or Nidiana said we should simply call the movie a Ghanaian film because it was shot in Ghana and all that. But I think when we say collaboration, I think we have so many types of collaborations, you see. Some people can have a collaboration in terms of casting or in artistic collaboration because Okofa Nigerians and Ghanaians, Ebuma, Ebi Akiri in every Ghana, and I be a Nigeria. Nigeria for but once Ghanaians, you can also equally call it a Ghana-Nigeria collaboration in terms of the cast or artistic. You may a contract be young fan say I don't see before a contract be Kumasi also okay we are not based in Kumasi and say logistics near preparation maybe what say the teaming up with maybe RTB and then visa now you teaming up now logistically and technically you bet me I don't TV collaborated with Royal TV to do this show. What I say, I think we are not wrong if we say it's a Ghana-Nigeria collaboration because we use Ghanaian and Nigerian artists. Equally, we can also say it is a Ghanaian film. It's a Ghanaian film because the executive producer is from Ghana. The movie was shot in Ghana. So either ways, you are not wrong because the movie is a Ghanaian film. At the same time, if we back down as well, we can also say the movie is a Kumawood movie. Because my issue is, yes, you know Kumasi, let's see no shaka and FDR. And can follow an area of one kind, don't make a Kumasi phone. Oh, a Kumasi film. What I say? But what we see now is cinema, fairness, cinema de Pia, a glory be, real minor Bia. The person, you can't come out do no shame. Now you cover Bia, a Kalu movie. What I say? But we almost say, Ghana, we have Kumawood and Ghanaian. Oko Nigeria, we have an Hollywood, they have Igbo wood, they have another wood, they are all wood Birmingham. What I say? And they are proud when they say this movie is an Igbo movie or a Yoruba movie. Yes, they have Kannywood or Kannywood film. And so we should also be proud of ourselves. I say you walk Kumasi. They are getting interesting in BC. Let's see, etini across borders. And so when we say it is a Kumawood film, it means we also want to project our identity. We want to be proud of ourselves. Say, a Juma, a panel. Yanka said, Juma, Papa and yet Kumawood film. And I said, Kumasi. Yes, it's my friend Kumawood film. Into your best friend, into Jumuka cry. Was a side of one and not to say, Sineno, you'll be a person of friendly unfriendly. Your granny and then we see you'll be a person of friendly beyond unfriendly. Your panel, all friends say, and you come out from. We are okay. Your best young friend say, Ghanaian film, we are okay. Your best young friend, Ghana, Nigeria film, we are okay. Your best young friend, Ghanaian movie, we are okay. Okay, to my last issue, I think that my last issue also has to do with this, similar to this, because I think that Michael too has been making a lot of comments and other things. I didn't say yes, I premiere scene. I didn't yes, like I say yes, I premiere scene because premiere there once. But we have so many types of premieres. So we will be able to follow international film festivals near the even festivals, some of them will tell us the movie should be a world premiere, and yes, our festival no money, or it should be an international premiere. We also have what we call theater or cinema premiere. We have about regional premieres. Because I said, regional premieres. And Greater Accra region premiere, Kumasi premiere, Northern region premiere, premiere. They are regional premieres. And your best say, especially Michael UTV, what to know see Yasua or Tiwa or Tip platform Biswa or Boy China, say, as in India, the percent the correct Ola Michael said, he is wrong for saying, say, what we are going to do now is not a premiere. We have inter-country premieres. So, Nigeria for the first time, for them it is a premiere because they've not seen the movie before. They've not seen it anywhere before. So it means that it is a Nigerian premiere. I said, we have East African premiere. We can have West African premiere. We can have this premiere, Europe premiere, American premiere. So, Mr. Ola Michael of UTV, you are my good friend. Please stop all these things. You see, if we start the intellectual, debates, we wouldn't mean standing. The fact that you sit at UTV doesn't mean you are God or you are the father of all knowledge. Don't mean Nancy. Let's stop the brain. Only answer and slow the answer. Again, now one with next time, cross check your facts very, very well. Now, your research very, very well. So, on this note, I want to end with thank you very much.
Thank you, Director Fifi. Today, my director has brought him stuff. And the director now is in the home. It doesn't get so trained in the engagement. So the words of the director is the words of Fifi Cabin, not the words of Weezy Empire, not the words of Kodun Cancer. We now can yes, no more. Director now words and Weezy Empire, and that's the Kodun Cancer words. My board director sending in our to fan a Fiat 28 Nigeria. I think some say all cinemas nationwide, and I distribute and silver bed. Or non-Catholic cinemas, and other cinemas in Nigeria. I think say runs in other key a window Mudina on big receive some of the state cinemas in the and Upper Ghana to Swa, no silver bed, and eagle, golden eagle, Kumasi. See, I think the silver bed need two, Accra more, and then West Hills more, Kasua. Now, question be brave, LilWin be darko, Nina, a quiet first one called the Bakunina, and then they drew out the Mumra, Nina, from any Kumasi in the golden eagle. I think I know you need to Kumasi in the account because super comment sessions were LilWin page last year. The brainers now are who into mobile move no mind dash, no don't be dear so premiums. And to end everything up, a country called Ghana moving on, and then you person your day. Young Cassia Day resurrected because we by a movie festival, a movie a fashion, at the actual dog, at the other movie industry. It's almost a tiny day now. Your facts, your home, your own, the right, if you more. I say a day free few moon for some Mumbra. The way you move, Ghana, DV, it's Mumbra Magic, young country. The country called Ghana, the real wonderful. 16 regions in a half year, you move to 14 in a year. Baby, so you could be a name some trifle, Mamma Shell, the Union, and no more yet. Echo. Never when you so not 2024, you must not come more diamond deep at the mine word talk, said the most so you made the country called Ghana. And then I'm not so granted I mean any awards now. And yet key actors now you use you know. The be a culture director, and LilWin in your Rams in Tia, name may a Ghana media no. The way almost need farmer high different ways will be a sniffed edgy movie. Make a movie ye chat. The cast engagement as na plus one TV. Quite on so far so high people movie. And to be out of point, a voice is so fine on so far so yeah, and it's media phoning na it will be as Mr. Media engagement. As some by 1% will be a bit some one accident. It's me for when you saw accident in one sem. Accident no one sem no at that court. At that court. Court on so asem so no. Me do meaning name said and then yet to suffer kojola and case on the vacancy. But it's your friend also that war high court. Court on so asem so the me do meaning intimate one bubu. Intimate one bubu intimate me baby asem no drew. Me baby asem no epo ma wo na so ma kan bi ye gu so ayeko. Enu so ntina ma ya fa country god Ghana jumedi na to aso say yes pese ye to aso ti asem di wie enkodai. So pepe na me share so bi so be buta say na mantan kama de enu so e. The patron so sa so report and so you see video one abubu. If you say no, the two management, the management of Mantan Command, the management of LilWin, both with their legal team now, or Martinazia, it means that there will be peace at the end. And answer some big record to somebody you be and specific discussion on how you waiting upon the winners of the court. Mami Fakonya is so end time, the first lady of Wizi Empire. I hear the wife behind the master brain and Ghana's most favorite, Ghana's poster boy, Kojong Council LilWin, Mami Selwa, all the way from the United States. Yes, the first lady, you know, 25th of February, birthday. You could give it to buy. Tomorrow we are. Let's see. Blockers, you ever to be up and say anything. And to tell you, I'll be every day in media engagement. It's too normal for that. Not to say, but you'll be down. Hey, you're one pie. If you have a question, you will be out. Near the microphone, no, up. Who did you have a house, no, at their mind? And the many are just one legs, so how many are just a GHP, and so has it. Since that's a work day. What did you do? And the battle, yeah, we will question we said, yeah. See the question be answered, the answer. Yeah, to us, a bizarre. No, but you'll be bizarre, none about four. And I'm so
alright, but from above team. What I'm saying is that last time, I think about myself, I don't get interview. Now I can say, what the Raminoa, a ruling man, or my days, most days you saw, it leads me yes every month. According to us, that day is not the man, the same day now, days now, so now, Raminoa about myself will be deep moving. But you're in the crisis in the criminal.
Now we do other one that is a question you go feel, but a production question. You transfer me. Intimate to say no. Me question I'm restricted. Info premium. So I said, Van time or yes I interview. No, be premiere day. It was at high. I never put media no riding on the country God can. Gaining attention to the premiere. Into a kind non-committed will be about the social. And over Kojata nationally, if I feed now, what I should fit that, I feed was no reply. And all one day, it's yes, so you say, Philadelphia post. But the question from you.
All right.
Question from you.
All right, Johnny.
Hey, like senior blogger. The godson. Tell me about what we did.
It was the first time Kojo Moye Bibi Omo Afra Metuya Baby. Yeah,
but can you have me for
offer? The go ana mi nikro. Oh, the Brian and the Ghana. And you go. The
so ha.
Yeah.
Kimi na wa ha.
Let's get to us.
Oh, I just say you enjoy it. All right, Director, one year, can say, the locals behind now yourself, the project in Ghana and also Nigeria. Now, unifiably, on Ghana movie, the industry makers now, so the question here is, your other movie makers are on we are having such an engagement. BBC Quine said, if you have a friend Jack Cody, Vivian Joe, Adwama Fibi, Akabineza Mutim, you know, because or say a carbon one here. BBC Quine. That's the question.
But that's a legacy. I think that BBC Quine. I don't here. Jumedi in the engagement, engagement in the restricted on LilWin, and it's an after every project. And to make sure with our premiers, anyone wants to maybe a Kusunya, almost a Akibineza, and the end of the war. It's near to say a festival. So I cried this year, man, article one is some of the key artists, Acrobato Moon and Pape performing. Some person they say what plans of making it. It's not because who quiet the first way, because don't mean call. Accra Kumasi. By a bear approach some of your selects lady, and I say Kumasi movie makers lady, and a big race in most of the places now at the Ida. And it's our plans on their way pipeline. Remember, I think that there's a movie now, who's shooting currently, Kwaku Manu, Dr. Likee, Funny Face, and LilWin, and also Crampo. You be a contract in recently, yet dialogue you also Pavafna, you be a Yadia. It's the industry members make us a book in Guye, but you need to let say a back. The management of a cable is a day not there, it didn't come. I basically put it up things in place, and to one be shoot to me, no one can sell more than a project. And see, let's just for that one, the main show. But to believe it. That's all.
I'm a
Television TV.
Israel.
And also managing editor, Delawatch.
Okay.
And to this year, the young lady events in Akasa de Mukuso. Vastly, they were booked, I think the vast Friday, vast Saturday, and a vast Sunday. The music aspect in the Mukuso. This year, the crowd a lot in the pipeline. Into traditional music, traditional media is number one. The best I would say, "Nyomna ba, momboma enyade, emai." Because Nyomna is one of the big kind of a source of income with the empire. And then we show and then you go first kind of be other projects na yede. When you need school, ni bibia and Nyomno. Into Nyomni you hold there. There is no life with the empire. It's Nyomni di yede enjoy. It doesn't create. But I'm from Yenupe now for the Yama. Kwaku Manu Kasana yentu yensechi because rich gold is a really see what cha na job obisu anade obisu amani bi papa je yesi ko ya papa je mani bi oria papa je fire last akwa na wa okay Kwaku Manu was say ewo akaya mo ja mami me question na question say papa je ya no question what to Assembly Ghana and our cross Ghana and before we go and say and I mean PR will make director customer and we say yeah what's like about when they say a call 16 regions are a woman now me say you to me mama a country called Ghana call across regions a Ghana hanging every year for more and also be a top movie like now say a country called Ghana, ye premier league now, ye pester and co-system regions of Ghana had no see. And as I said, yeah, that's it. I think it's some common share LilWin final statement to be made. It's major. Why? Share. Could you final statement? Papa J. I don't know, Michael will be here. One in you. But why are they so to me? Men go on and say, country called Ghana t-shirt. Mama,
Alright, Mijina Hama, media personnel, at times when Bibiba say he invited media, not mobile. But say, do say, Omo 2 coin, Ako baby, Ako J award be, Ako event to be a fat movie in one. You won't read, no one said 50 government, I shall say, posting Yamabasa. This time, you're going Nigeria. Tell another one to us, more Nigeria. Ako premier. Ghana media and Boamo, and want to be a course. Nigeria, and also plans for the media. Everyone, I'm only media and echo, and as a mongo, Namadi Abania, so near Amamana, Madam.
I think that Director Fifi Kasanokan, a film distribution winner, I saw Nigeria project in the Mawaye. It's on the base of Wisdom Empire, the ring of the sign, and it's only distributed TV movie. Our way in the cinema premiere. He said no, on the list, no, ever bar. It's on the bar, yeah, no, so media for free or while. You be so few members for free or while. You be said you be there, you be there. But I'm going to be you do bar and I'll be performance with us over. In terms of what your question be in the audience, but last question, okay.
Ministry of Tourism, and she said, "Upon say, Whitney, Asia, now, Akabum, Ama, Media, Yeti, Etnia, Pajama, Ghana movie, production, Etnia, and Nassau." And she said, "You have a yes." Last question for you, last year, the brand, I think the previous this current ministry of aside regional minister and then 2 days of free to meet us there. I think the tourism minister here, but maybe so prayer in the office now there. Until I make us say, you another project aside the country called until another day, a binary Kasa. Oh, but she was there, or the mind, until you're none of from Bachelor's, the last minister.
I think the recently a year Ghana movie awards our crowd. But me to me, I was shocked that a country called Ghana. And I mean, I would be if semi board.
Oh, the Ghana awards. But moving like I said, but cast be okay. Discovery, okay. Cash, okay.
What's on going?
Papa J. And see, that's another.
But I am okay.
The batch will be any who be my sabre. Let's go for your council.
Also, to the family, and to go Ghana. I'm going to be brave. Now, Yamikan. Or Ram, what you might media for the brothers. Will be any. When you're in the Macumo. So that you may be a Senate Bayer in moving there, you know. The 4 actual more free. Our Monty and Tempe. I also starts in the visual JJ, ATV, Guma, when moving in being. The Senate Bayer attached by Basu. Not to be our benefit beer was in your top part at the American man. The same time, they say, yeah, at the Jemmy Senate Bayer, Mitino, and Coffin. Never cost possible. The same time, may I say, movie bit my international. Nancy, a Camovia, you trying to Ghana, my international. Not if you say free, a reserve account. Not when they be any. Now, I can move, you know. May I follow movies by any promotion comes here, including music, you know. We are American, we are man. How almost a branded never be just promote the song, and I'm praying. Na promotion jana enough form. To me say, move between now. I can't go on and betray. na me choose that and fanga be gabi wona mpesa we say ma na djuma bi the movie tete kwahye ados wona ye djuma bi a o say djuma be twama police pana na faswa ni beje wona hye ni ko twatwofo na ko be faswa me udidi a say we to niska great film sare ye bi ti be share wo say djuma be twadi mi ti fa camera bi a en twa say djuma we sanse akra Nigeria for be kan no bia it's international so you have 4K, 3K, 2K fanko to one train American cameras and now the person you quite cheap that person projecting the team this up when there's unity now crab black magic Makum yes the tripod the BPR you be school you be media then a young Ghana for Nyanjam Rabiti Fimpa without my campaign success very moving a promotion Ghana be an antiasi, and I'm in the first time I'm eating. Number of officers be a Benes Gambler before episode, Yama so mega, yes, sir. The promotional, and that's the main purpose here. Number of pens, Namem Nadu, a country Ghana, Nakasa, Monsieur Yushu, as if we have a brand new now. Now, it's right, and for the car, and lantern antiquity. Now, attention possible. Now, give the simple eye, the open. Ni aprandi fino e peti e katuko Ghana kala ina kan buja dance e basa e bom aduma no e kwachi wuti fimpa na mo wo be na kwetwa wi ati no when did this etukana ni e kwa dukwati ko faka bi a ena ba bi akodwo ne se na ba se hotel dabi e bi si the first time scale ye promotion no kwa unti menkan e so juwe bi ta se ba Netflix the cash taka says our compa madam muda be chok me say be djuma be Netflix mesremu omo hye wan nyina ni say endi ko fan kra emma abran be 40 wo ni say mun pe fo mo ba ni bi ko mo na support ya na mo kan mo asama emma kra so e mo so a wo di mo ti mo be kese no any media for ni so e be so e ko fan kra ko be tra no ma I don't think push na ma brother penye no fa push da timesle mo odam na no odin na me shop obaka me bi time starting me gidi no me media for gina share o kuma se S5 up to 30 by 6 kakase after 30 by ya mo nyum na papa ni se bi me nya ka me na be ye dwuma bo ibi ni afem ikuta bo mo ni impo twa bi nyina fa ko ye na ya ne bi ntimase time meti ayo bi ye bi ase do di matem do ka me kase bi betira betira sa e hameda na de me hamena say malam se fa mamo na obi etika pechire me na ti adofo hwemo na ko page ni pija ko de nim na say ni pa na so ya ba why say come was one we see a cases by issue by we did that we see a farm boy and ma attention about say them to me so ni probably said an accident and when you to be a opinion which and to be a compressor by the minute free almost mobile decided that we are farm na I didn't know I was moving around I was BPP, could America, Vicker, Canada, Brazil, the whole Nigeria, and you won't come myself. Yes, you understand your one needs in your council. Mr. Apanoa, your age is 70 years above. To know 40 as well be winning, seeing them what whenever never can the papa swat, in them, no more, nem fa for swimmer. Them say, Ibam Sama. The Mayama media no, and I brought us a way better passion. But many bintino, me can't me sabi yamiti. A very man. To the same movie, but I got in answer on Netflix. See, I will soon begin now one my a caution in hand. This is the time. Some was some back one me. What did you watch it? I'm on fire matching. Matam, what did you pick at 12 months for come to swim to be? Me, I know that. me alarm was in Cabra or say, you didn't mean I found out what won't tell me the Banaka City. I'm not a horse episode at Yao, and I'm a sure. Say, be sure, so that's what they be. But you are swan, but we shall find me. Lord, no intimacy. Now for time, at the top industry. Tiang like it. The message thing that could be at the wee piano. Papa Basso slow. Your mammy. When I'm in your son, I said, we are paying that. I could be a baker see. And I'm so good at beer. Scabam same now with the Bobra. Most man one make me so uncle so. And you got to maybe sharing the beer. What is it tomorrow? To the same with the Pammy, I didn't say. I know you one. Now, Nigeria now. That's why you make me the whole Nigerian cinema in Ghana. Including Ghana. Kumasi more. Accra, Sevabe. One out of 4 Nigerian, none of 4 Ghana, BNDP, and Korea. Na and non so. Na say, you may take copy Netflix for path from Swap. And what if you man can movie? Any, and by your soul, it's so swap. The million be also a next project. Come with you, I'll come some year. Atundi a journey to Africa. I am such a castle for 15 rand. Nigeria for a Ghanaian or more than 5. Almost moved if you move the chair by Noah. Ghana will be a fisherman was in the sending on account. Van across our account. Being a like me, I can't be. Maybe I'm about my task can be. And this guy. Said many pija and a kusuya, said yes, you any and the jump one before. Many will be an issue. Like when Mimia, funny face, Kwaku Manu will be a Mimia. Many will be a court, because sent to be a dad. Now, there were women, and I would mathematics, then you rule. Median. Come in, not need to walk and found. Santa's Kafoka Casaman may never be. The messenger. Seeing us of what took one night, one that's been bad. Mission was it. When you're from the Aguami, you won't quite it might be a quite 10 years, or 1 tonight, and that's what I believe I think I'm going to say. A movie about Netflix. And if I perform so, choose got more composite Netflix. A boko. See, near boy, no quite necessary one or so. You said, may be a chance, or and to be always moving back on a hit. We say another hit, the know. Now more poor in Tizanity. From Asasia, Mr. President, Coco Zizi. At least a Lumba Ghana, more than a buffalo more than 80. From Stonewall Medical, Familia, Upia Kamubi. Because he made man away. Young Janet Tenescent, I got a heavy man. Waiting for you, and Asa. The camera top at that station, so I won't even talk. Because care born, I can't move your born, I can't wear. Stage bent into Scatola. But I don't try plenty in Pons Capac only with the media. Says Cabani. As when it's done, Busua, now upon my pija and Scacasia. Castation, the better when you know when you say pija, and put it here, starting on 18 samples. Because I don't know, because of the master. We not a kind of thing changing before you invite. Should be now upon our banana, we go to my yet. The message, one. I like this. I should tell this by. Up my church. JP for sa. When you want me, say, and I come upon the bar. That's true, we don't get money. Make a wish out to be in master. To say, this is the time. On one. Like 19 go Netflix. I don't know. I don't know. I can't avoid me. Promotion from pocket. Men Fanada. I put more than 1 million cities. Just promotion. Benson was 5.5 billion. Big board, I want more than 30. And even the cheapest is 7,000 8,000. Plus banners, cassette brand, imagine. Moving it, just moving the bank account, just promotion. Nimina, I say, as we now know that, it's sunset. Your minimum, as you check that, I feel inside. To how a beard man. So I be not alien and function be a mobile when you're in the way. So what do you ask me? On the thing I ask. Now, I'm soft for such a cry, I don't check that. Was it before some mobile? Painting or reaching time, I say. Say incident and see a see a poem, then I can't look myself. You're ready to go through. I see a gun, then I'm not a day. And then I'm a cup of my commission. I'm ready. To say what I want. I can't beat me. I can't tell you. When you miss up, now on to more. I'm on one. I'm ready, man. Nation, it's actually be. Madam, we beat by any time YouTube for me. I like look at YouTube. You get a time. And but Marco Doss, who have they said that we said they empty. You could show me so family maybe. I pretend banners. I shall see, you know, I quite maybe will be. Because I'll show you for now. With Empire team, Behasi, I be full movies. And the good with Empire. Send a woman about international show. Michelle. But I first of all, I'm sorry, 70 years old. Philadelphia, Madi Yatam Swatch. Yamma, a some Tomo Catamato, Muyaman will be. We 27 billion. Etama and a four, a Joshua Muniama. We bring at 20 million. Basically, was such a 417 billion. And my man would be. And then young woman, the very almost. The same. Say, I'm damaged, the best of the most mortal energy. If you are young, if you like a baby, one come and say, yes, or wait back. Yamisham, you don't see the